morning. Happy day 28. It is Sunday. TV is loud. I just weighed myself. So far, since I've started in the last 28 days, I'm down 8 pounds. I'll take it. I've been into the gym in 2 weeks. So it's really not that bad. I'm actually really proud of myself. So 8 pounds, 28 days. So we're just gonna keep going. So let's start with our ginger shot. Alright. These are super green gummies.
Is it my yoga class? Is it a rock heavy? Underground. No person in charge. I'm a person in charge. And who worked for Please? You know what? To kill me. For puberty. He is a so hot man.
Alright guys, morning for MELISA shot. So many people like ask every single day, so every single day I'm just gonna say it. It's dual action hunger control and fat reduction powder. I don't want to get in trouble, so it's fat reducing powder and it's amazing. And if you haven't tried it and you want to target your belly fat, especially like the mommy kangaroo pouch, get your MELISA. Cheers. Yeah, clean up the kitchen, get some work done on my computer. I also need to make a tea. I'm gonna make a tea, clean the kitchen, and then do some work. And then we'll be right here cooking. Alright, so I'm in the middle of doing like housework and trying to keep the kids entertained at the same time. So I'm just going to have a quick snack while I am working and doing stuff, which is just going to be some celery and peanut butter. I don't have anything else right now. Right, I'm going to have 4 celeries and peanut butter right now. I ate, I meal prepped, did laundry, cleaned. Now it's time for, I need this really bad. And then I'm gonna make a tea. So we're gonna do energy goalie and the multi goalie. Why are you staring?
Can't help it.
Okay, snack. I'm gonna eat like 4 of these wings. The rest my husband gonna eat. He's already eating them. I'm gonna eat like 4 of them, and that's gonna be a snack for me. And then I'll have a shake later. I'm gonna go eat my chicken wings. Okay, so my husband and I were in the kitchen talking before I went to go take a shower, and both of us popped some of these super greens and I forgot to record. I already took my super greens, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my shake and take some MELISA. I'll be back. Okay, so that was my shake. I'm having dulce de leche with cinnamon. I absolutely love dulce de leche with cinnamon. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my regular nightly thing. Roll my face, and do my treatment, take my MELISA, and then get my nightly massage from that. Time for a nightly MELISA. Cheers. Alright, that's it for day 28. I'm going to have my shake. Walmart is about to be here with some more groceries, so I'm going to put those away. And then I'm going to do my treatment and edit this video. So I will see y'all on the next video.